I am Sean Carver and I am the owner of Bodytech. My background is panel beating. I started my career in Volkswagen. I was there for about 10 years. Then I moved over to Bodytech and then learned how to spray cars and prepare cars for paint. One day I was asked whether I'd be able to cover the office for some estimating, and I was happy to take up the challenge. I sat in the estimating seat to cover whilst I was on holiday and realised actually I quite enjoyed it. So after I was asked whether I'd like to go on a training session with Bodytech, the insurance estimating system, and I really enjoyed my time learning about the other side. Bodytech was founded 25 years ago. When it first started, it was a specialist in accident repair and insurance work. Since I've taken over the business, I have changed the working model and we are going more and more involved in custom paintwork and modified cars. We have 7 members of staff on site, and that includes 2 painters, 1 panel beater, 1 stripper and fitter, the cleaner, and obviously office staff to cover us for the admin side of things. We specialise in high quality repairs, done once, done correctly. Every time we do a job, it's to push it to the max, to make sure it's the absolute best we can do. And it's imperative for us that we use the best products we can get. Over the years, we've tried multiple tapes, varying price ranges, and have noticed that they all have their flaws. The difference between Q1 tapes and previous tapes on the market is its ability to stick to itself, which it does far better than any other ones we've used previously. Q1 tapes have been brilliant. They do exactly what they're supposed to do and have 0 failure rates.